Heading into the bottom of the fourth, here on Toasted Ravioli Night, the Grizzlies up 1-0, and Joey Miller alongside me, Jason Garrett. If you're tuning in on Flow Sports, welcome, world. This is us. This is our faces here. We are live on camera.
Yeah, we have faces for radio, I might add.
Well, tonight we have faces for Flow Baseball, as we have been graced with some nice piping hot toasted raviolis to try.
These are very fresh. Very fresh
out of the fryer. And we will be trying these live on air as we watch to see if the Grizzlies can get a couple more runs to their tally. Gabe Holt, the first one up on Frigio. First pitch outside for ball one on the fastball. We were given one Marinara Cup. I'm not afraid to double dip. Personally, we were each given 4 of these raviolis by Luisa's Test Kitchen, our sponsor here at the ballpark. The 1-0 pitch, missing low and inside for ball 2.
Well, you've got to call the play, so I'll let you do that, and I'll be the first one to dip the ravioli and test it here.
Let's give it a full score, a good score out of 10, if you can here. Describe what the mouthfeel is right now. As the 2-0 hits for strike one, fastball on the lower outside corner. You got to have a microphone.
I got to have a microphone to talk, yeah. These are meat ravioli.
Yeah, beef, I believe.
Yes.
The classic beef ravioli. Now the 2-1 to Holt. Missing outside for ball 3. He's ahead of the count. Lined out to left field last time.
Oh, the mouthfeel is stupendous. You got the creamy filling, but also the crispness of the outside, which I particularly enjoy. A very solid 8 out of 10 on these.
A rookie score there, going with the whole number. This man does not watch a lot of Dave Portnoy. As the next pitch hits for strike 2, a fastball. He contests that at the plate to Dalton Phillips. He takes time now, Holt does, for a full count. He'll face next.
Well, you're correct. I don't watch a lot of that guy, but
the one-bite reviews.
He's a very good, by the way. They're at Louisa's Test Kitchen stand here at Grizzlies Ballpark, and it's definitely worth a trip when you come here to Grizzlies Ballpark.
The 3-2 tallied off towards the office for a foul ball. It stays 3-2 on Holt.
Now, I am willing to take over play-by-play for a brief moment while you try your toasted ravs if you feel the need to do so this inning.
I will after the hold at bat here.
Okay.
Payoff pitch once more, hitting to left field. Coming over towards the line is Berkey. He'll make the grab for the first out. So a couple balls hit to left field by Holt the other way, and out number 1 is issued.
And by the way, I only dipped the first one once, so it's still a Marinara Cup that you should feel no qualms about dipping yours into. But
I don't feel any qualms.
Well, here's Kyle Goodell as I take over for my partner here, and he's going to try a toasted rav of his own. Goodell struck out swinging his first time up in the first pitch, breaking ball down and away 1-0.
Well, I'd be lying if I said I haven't tried these before. But just for...
You've broken the illusion.
Just for goofs, let me give it a ranking here.
Bases empty, 1 out, 3 infielders on the left side for Washington, the 1-0. Fastball on the outside corner at the knees, 1-1.
You know, something I really love about toasted raviolis is just how it's perfectly soft on the inside but crunchy on the exterior, like a good French fry, but just filled with meat and cheese. It's a genius invention, it is.
1-1 is outside, 2 balls and a strike.
But what I love about Luisa's is it's just so, portable, convenient. I'm not sponsored by Luisa's, by the way.
You could be.
I could be.
Luisa's is listening. We love the T-Ravs.
Send me a free bag. I have one in my freezer right now.
2-1 to Goodell. Frigio sets and kneels. Oh, a late swing and a miss there. Looked like a cutter, and the count is 2-2.
But I believe this is Luisa's red sauce. I won't say that it is, because I believe their red sauce has some meat in it, traditionally.
It'll be a 2-2 to Goodell. There's a fastball swung on and missed again, and Goodell down on strikes for the second time. Meanwhile, for Frigio, he has now retired 11 Grizzly batters in a row. Since the leadoff home run in the first inning by Abdiel Diaz, it's 1-0 Gateway. And here's Peter Zimmerman, and I believe this is your batter.
Yep. I'll give it a score here real quick, but first we'll watch this first pitch here to Peter Zimmerman. Flew out to second base last time. He takes the first pitch for strike 1 over the plate. I think I'm going to give the Toasted Raviolis a conservative 8-4. I've had a lot of Toasted Raviolis. Louisa really ranks at the top as this pitch is hit towards the shortstop. Wilder will throw on to first for the third out. So that concludes our little taste test here on Flow Sports for the time being, and we send it to the fifth. The Grizzlies still on top, 1-0 here at Grizzlies Ballpark on the Grizzlies Media Network and Flow Baseball.